buildings we've passed, just like this. Bullet holes in the sides. Yeah, you don't have to drive very far and you just see building after building devastated. Sort of looking right down through that Knin, right down in the valley. Christ, and we've just driven up again, really gained some altitude. But yeah, you can look right down through there and see the sort of mountains up through. Yeah, you don't realise it's so like mountainous when you're sort of driving the road. It's right down there. It's certainly gained some altitude, without a doubt. Bridge is this? Look at this bridge. Oh yes. So we're in the back of the Velebit National Park at the moment, I believe. So I think if you head out towards the coast from this kind of area, we're hovering around Zadar. So that's how far we've come up on the inland. So it's quite mountainous national park here. Look at these gorges down this side. Some great gorges. Nice bit of road. Still see sort of in the distance them shells of houses that have been abandoned up there, left on the hills. Yeah, this is the Velebit Nature Park area. Right. So we're still on the road, and so out towards, we're kind of like at the level of Zadar at the coast at the moment, and the other way, looking across the mountain range, is Bosnia, out to the right from here. So we're snaking up this road, and there's stunning views, and all of a sudden you get these big sort of drop-offs in the bridges, looking down over in the valley. It's like pretty high, to say the least. I don't know if we can get a rough on this one, maybe, is how high we're sort of running. And the backdrop here, look at it down over there. Mad. Oh, I tell you what, let's just take a view in here. Just have a little breather, just get some more water on board. Perfect little viewing spot. So that's the road we've come up in the distance, and this valley is just so vast. Looking across the other side, the heat is on today. Let's say Bosnia is over the hill. This vastness of this country is just incredible. It's the bridge. This place is pretty scary. Look at the devastation on these buildings. Wow. Absolutely not much left of this place whatsoever. Bullet holes in that building there. Wow, absolutely peppered. Wow, these wind turbines, look at these wind turbines. Look at the size of it. Yeah, we were actually starting to get a little bit lonely because we haven't seen a motorhome for so long, but we've actually come up behind a German Euromobile, so we got a little bit of a convoy going on towards Plitvice, and we're what are we on? 37 miles to go. We're going to a park up. We previously stayed at a campsite. Do you want to talk to me instead of the Euromobile, or do you want to watch the Euromobile? It is quite a nice landscape around here, but yeah, we previously stayed not far from Plitvice in the past, a few years ago, and so it was an auto camp kind of campsite right by quite a busy road, and this is kind of like a main artery where you get a lot of them trucks flying up. It just doesn't stop, day and night trucks, and we remember like the road noise. It was a bit close. We went down to a little cafe down the a little restaurant bar, and there was like all these trucks just flying by all the time. So yeah, we're gonna try a different camping, so which will be interesting to see what it's like. So we'll see what pans out, but landscape's looking, as Caroline was trying to explain to me earlier on, it's a little bit like Halloumi. No, Wyoming. Wyoming. She got a bit confused, but we had quite a good laugh, and yeah, we lost control for a bit because it was a bit funny, a bit random. Wyoming. Oh, lovely landscape again. Smoothed out, flat mountains as silhouettes in the backdrop. Trucking on. Windscreen's in hell of a mess. So we have actually gone from one extreme to the other in one day, from the mountains to this like super flat landscape now. Look at it, it's just gone. You've still got some fairly big hills in the distance, but this road is like so flat, and we're just ploughing on, still behind the Euromobile. There's a lot of these places selling like honey and cheese along this road, so there's loads of little places you can pull off and have a look. But yeah, quite a nice, just flattened out hay bales, just rolling really nice all the way along this road, all the way through. In the distance you can see it. We've got about 26 miles to go. Okay, so we're around Plitvice Waterfalls, and we're just going into Camp Bear. So let's see what happens here. She's waiting at the reception. Let's go. Yeah, so we just pulled into Camp Bear at Plitvice, and she literally sort of says, "Look, go and have a look at the pictures. There's a few like numbers to choose from, so we got quite a good selection.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Got lovely showers, got electricity, got all the bits and pieces." So she said, "Go check it out." And also here we go. So we're just basically in here.
Up to.
Oh, so 21. So they're 3, 4, 1, 2, Oh, it's bloody rabbits in it. Let's go have a look up around the back. What's up around here then? So, oh, so hang on, it's 16. Okay, let's have a...
At 16.
No. That goes up to 16 there. But there's, what's that, like, what's the other numbers?
You've got up to 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17 and 21, is it? Nice, 23 there.
Thinking, let's get up around here and have a little look around. See what's going on. There's like a bit of a hut up here.
One there.
What's that? Oh, so right, okay, right. There's 29. 29's not on there, no.
No.
Right, so I'm going to go back down the other place.
Yeah.
So there's 29. Right.
I quite like.
Super fast hook up today, straight in, pitch 3, chock under the front, electricity plugged on. Right, let's go down and see her and sort out the business. And there we are on the pitch. You just said choose a pitch, and we're quite happy with that one. We got the shower block over there, toilets and stuff, all good. So we're going to just decide what we're going to do. But the lady at the camp,
No problem.
the lady at the camping was just saying. Adults €10 at the moment for Plitvice, and looks like bus for Plitvice Lakes, bus rides at the bus stop 500 metres from us, returns at different times, so there's two-way €4 per person, so it's not bad value for money at the moment. That's it then, easy as that, sorted, and yeah, let's do it. Get a Bacardi and Coke going.